Hi friends, this is Sevakoti Elementally and welcome back to my YouTube channel Technology Hacks. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Filmora 9.5.0.20 with a free for lifetime. If you are watching this video, then watch my previous videos. In that, you will learn Filmora cracking method 1 and method 2. Now, I am telling method 3. If method 1 and method 2 will not work on your PC, then this method is 100% will work. Link is provided in my description. You can watch from there and you can directly download the software from my description. I will provide a link in my description. Now we will go to the process how to crack Filmora for lifetime. Now open your web browser and search for get into PC or I get into PC. Click on this link and here search for Filmora and hit enter. Here you will find lot of Filmora software here. Download here and remember the password. The password is 123. I am forwarding my video. It will take some time. Then open your downloaded file and extract the file. And it is asking for password. Yeah, the password is 123. Now open the specific folder and here you can install the Filmora software. For that, right click on it and run as administrator and click OK. And tick the agreement and click on next. Here you will select path and click next. And it is also take some time. Wait for a few minutes. After a successful installation, it will directly move to your web browser. Close that web browser and untick and click on launch. And this is our Filmora software. Just close the Filmora software and go to crack option and copy this path tool and paste it in Filmora location, means file location. Just paste here and refresh the page. See, this is the patch and refresh your page. Now close your application and clear your recycle bin data and after open your Filmora software. go to help, and in that active Filmora, yeah, here you will find the Filmora key is activated successfully, and we will see what is the version. Yeah, here you will find version 9.5.0.20. it is the simple way to crack Filmora. And if you are watching my channel for first time, please click on subscribe button and hit bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. And if you think this information is useful, please share to your friends. And if you have any doubts, comment me below. Thank you for watching.